Welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a custom mobile menu on WordPress using Elementor. Let's get started. Now, before we create our menu, we need to install a plugin. On your left-hand panel, we go to plugins. Under the plugins, so is add a new plugin. And then the plugin is the ultimate add-on for Elementors. Ultimate add-on. Yes, ultimate add-ons for Elementor. This is it here. I already have mine installed and activated. So you just need to install your and activate yours. Next, we're going to create a new menu for our mobile menu. You scroll down to the Appearance tab, and under the Appearance tab, you click on Menus. Next, we're going to create a new menu for our mobile menu. So we'll select Create a New Menu. And we're just going to give this a name, Mobile Menu. Click on Create Menu. Our menu has been created. Next, we're going to add the pages we want to be displayed on our menu. So I'm going to randomly pick pages here on my site. Yeah, so I add this pages. Click on Add to Menu. Now we already have our pages in our menu. So we are basically just going to arrange these pages. If you like the way yours already set, you can leave it at that. Next, we are going to save the menu. Now our menu has been saved. We're going to head back to the plugin we just installed. That is the Ultimate Add-on for Elementor. You see it at your left-hand panel. This is it here. So we're going to use this plugin to create our header for our mobile menu. So you click on the header and footer builder here. Next, we're going to add a new header. Let's title this header Mobile Header. Next, I'm going to select the type of template. Of course, it's a header template. Next, to select where we want this to be displayed. There are different options here. If you want this to be displayed on all pages on your website, you click on all pages here. But for this tutorial, I want it to be displayed on a specific page. So I click on the specific page option here, and I type in the page I want this to be displayed on, which is the Contact Us page. Yeah, so click on the Contact Us page. For the template, I'll select an Elementor canvas, so that I can have an empty space to edit the mobile menu. Next, we publish it. Now our header menu has been published. We're going to edit it with the Elementor. We have our empty Elementor canvas. So next, we're going to add a new section. Click on this. We change the content width to full width. Then we change the padding under the Advanced tab. You link the values, and for the top padding, just give it maybe 4. You can adjust it to your own taste under this padding. Next, we're going to add the navigation widgets. Yeah, navigation menu widgets. Now you can have access to this widget if you did not install the plugin I talked about earlier. So we're going to select the menu we created earlier, which is the mobile menu. This is our mobile menu. Now, because this is a mobile menu header, we go to the Advanced tab and set this header to display only on mobiles. So you scroll down to Responsive. And under Responsive, you toggle off the desktop and the tablet portraits. So you hide this menu, let this not be displayed on a desktop and tablet portrait. It should be displayed only on the mobile portrait. That's been done. Next, we're going to change the point of view to mobile portraits, because this is a mobile menu. Now we're going to style our menu. So click on Style. Yeah, under the style, you leave the main menu padding and spacing default. So under the link over effects, I'm going to use the framed link over effect. So whenever you hover at a particular page, you see it gives this framed look. And next, the typography. I'll leave the family font as Roboto. I just increase the size to 20. Yeah, this is okay. And next, we're going to edit the colors. And for our text color, I want it to be white and the background should be brown. And this background color might not take effect here, but don't worry, we'll change that later. So the hover effect, I don't want when we hover it's going to show green. I want it to show white. Click on the text color, change it to white. Why the background should be brown also. Do the same for the link hover effect. Right? When you click on the link, this framed look shouldn't show you green, it should show you white. Yeah, I want it to be white. Nice. See, everything is not displaying, don't worry. For the active, do the same thing. I want the color to be a fixed color, so do the same thing. The background brown and the link over effect when it's active should be brown also. And before we go to the drop down section, let's go back to the content. To have a responsive mobile menu, ensure you come down to this layout tab, the breakpoint, leave it at mobile, so that the mobile menu will show the exact same way on every mobile. Then you can change the alignment to left, to right rather. Now our mobile menu is going to be very responsive. Let's go back to our style. Go back to the drop down menu, change the text color to white. and our background to brown. So when you click, you see our background is now brown. We'll do the same for the rest of the settings for the hover and the active. Text color white, the background brown, same as the active. You can change the color to whatever brown color you're using. For first tutorial, I'm just using the white and brown color. So next we'll go to our horizontal padding. I'll set this at 70. Yeah, 70 is okay. So for the vertical padding, I give a vertical padding of, I think 20 should be okay. Yeah, this spacing is okay. So next we have the divider. I don't want these lines you see in between the pages. I don't want that, so I change this from solid to none, and then this is plain. So next is the menu trigger and close icon. This is the icon for the mobile menu. In this tutorial, I'm using the default icon. You could change yours under the layout setting. Yeah, you can input your own icon or whatever brand icon that suits you. So go back to styling now, menu icon. I'll increase the size to probably 30. 30 is okay. So for the border width, I just need 1. Then the border radius should be 10. Let's change the color. Icon color should be white and the background should be brown. And there you have it, guys. Your responsive mobile menu is set. Yeah, this is it, guys. If you found this tutorial helpful, guys, please like this tutorial, comment, share this tutorial to your friends, and also please subscribe to my channel so that I can push out more Elementor content. Check the description for more cool Elementor videos, including how to create an animated button and also how to create a drop down sub menus or nested menus. Also, if there is something you want me to work on or a video you want me to cover, please comment down and I surely will work on it. That's it, guys. Bye. See you in the next video.